Okay, if you can hear me, that's great. You might not be able to see me yet, but that is also okay. Just trying to make sure that I can get high enough upload rate, and that's struggling a little bit right now. 29. We're gonna dip down pretty low, and we'll see how that works. Maybe it'll be able to sort of buffer it out. 362, 74. Yikes. All right. Well, this is definitely struggling. Stand by. Everything goes wrong when you try to stream, so that's just kind of what's going on. I promise I'm here, if you can hear me. Okay, hold on. We were getting better service before. Let's see if this helps. That's no good. Okay, yes, I know. That seems worse now. 3, 2. Okay. Maybe that's not the right direction to go. I'm just going to try a couple of things, folks, and you will have to stick with me as I troubleshoot. Okay. That should help a little bit. What if I don't stick with you, asks Jared. Well then, Jared, I don't know what to tell you about that, pal. Alright, what if we drop the bit rate way low? 2200. This is too low. But I don't see myself having a whole lot of options here. I do have the Cloak of Invisibility. That's correct, actually. I do indeed possess that. Let's try a couple other things. I'm going to point this directional antenna a couple of different ways, and we're going to see if I can get any luck. I'm on a different side of a field today. Okay, there's no luck there. There's no luck there. We're in a bit of a valley, so that's probably what it is. Yeah, okay. So I wanted to do that. So that's probably about as good as it's gonna get here. Man, I wish it was better quality. Mostly what I have to do here is not stream, but fly the plane. So if the stream becomes a nuisance, I'm just going to kill it. Oh boy. All right. Stand by. I've got like 2 other things that I'd like to try. Let me go into terminal. It really seems to be throttling me now. Okay. Okay, that's fine. This looks a little better now. Are we going to hold it here? 22, 21, 22, 15. Well, folks, you know, I'll tell you what. I have got to get this done. So if it looks good, it looks good. If it doesn't, I don't know what to tell you. Hopefully that's somewhat stable. It good now. Yeah, it looks okay. Seems stable. Well, hi, I'm Joey B, and this is a little foggy. Hold on. It's very humid out today. I'm Joey B. This is my plane. We're gonna fly it, and I gotta do a couple of things before we take off. The last thing I have to do here is adjust the trims on it. I haven't yet done that, so I want to get as close as I can by eyeballing it. I'm going to boot the plane up, and then once the trims look good, we'll give it a shot, and we'll try it. Now the special thing about this, oh my god. Okay, connected now. The special thing about... oh, wow. That's not good. The connector is coming out. We can fudge it, but that's going to need to be replaced. All right. We're going to boot it up. Okay. And now we got to do a couple of things. I'm going to check the trims on all of this here. Oh, I didn't arm it, did I? I got to do that. Okay, so the difference today is that we're flying with, here it is. Okay. The difference today is that we're flying with the Pixhawk, which is it's an autopilot for the plane. So in theory, it should help us fly. It should be good for us. Now, are we connected? Yes. Is it gonna do the audio readouts? Oh, it's because they're going through the headphones. So if I arm it, go to different flight mode.
Stabilized flight mode.
Okay, cool.
Manual flight mode.
That's good. We're flying without a GPS today too, because the one that I bought is not currently working. No wheels yet, very simple. And if this test works today, we can add LEDs, we can add all sorts of things. But first, let's get those trims set up.
Stabilized flight mode. Manual flight mode.
So we're gonna go in manual flight mode, and I'm just gonna eyeball it right now. And that is, yeah, that's the correct direction. I checked all the directions at home, but we'll recheck those. Let's get these dialed in a little bit more. Yeah, so that feels better. That feels more even. And the rudder. The rudder looks pretty good to me, TBH. The elevator is going to be hard to dial in. I'm going to leave it like this right now. We'll see how it works out. We're balanced around the CM, so we're balanced where we should be. And then if I arm it...
Armed.
The fan...
Disarmed.
The fan is going in the right direction. So that's good. Let me check the directions one more time. So if I go into stabilized...
Stabilized flight mode.
And we want to turn to the right. This aileron has to go up, this has to go down, and the rudder has to turn to my right. Yes. Same thing if we want to go to the left. This has to go up, that has to go down, this has to go to the left. Great. Same thing to the right, to the left. If I want to go up, I pull down elevator. Yes. If I want to go down, I pull up elevator. And so that is all of our checks. If we force the plane to bank right, it is going to try to correct for that by going down elevator, down aileron here, up aileron here, which it does. so that's correct. And then if I tilt it up, it corrects with down elevator. If I tilt it down, it corrects with up elevator. So I think we're good. There's a lot of bugs on this plane right now. Okay, I restarted the stream. The stream has been restarted. We will see if this makes a difference for me. It seems okay. Yeah, so there's a little bit of wiggle. And that should show up here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I think that's good. The FPS should be coming back up. Sorry about that, everyone. There's a lot of finagling that has to happen to trick my phone service provider into thinking that I am not tethering from my phone. Okay, is everyone ready? Should we fly? What else should I do? I'm serious. Any of you who fly model airplanes, what am I missing right now? Oh, here comes a bunch of people with dogs. I might get a little quiet because I don't want to look like a weird person. Yeah, what am I missing right now? I've checked my trims, I've checked my directions, everything's connected. I've checked the stabilized system. We know that the modes work, we know that the motor arms, we know that it rotates in the right direction. So what am I missing? Fly. Get a good sense of the wind direction. Okay, cool. So we're going to launch to the right of the screen, from left to right. That's where the wind is coming from the right. So we're going to launch into the wind. Fly it. Fly. Okay, we're going to give it about a minute. Wait for these people to pass by. Put it in, stabilize it, and rotate it to ensure the gyro is aligned properly. Perry, I just did that, so we should be good. Nathan says a GPS, and he's right, but that doesn't show up until Thursday, I think, because the one that I got did not work out of the box. Launch it into the wind full throttle. Double check battery voltage. That's a good idea. We are at 97%, so 14.2 volts. Okay. Why did the airplane get sent to his room? Bad attitude. Okay, now the wind is coming from the camera direction. I promise we're going to launch soon. I just want to wait for these people to go by so I don't freak them out. Don't call him Peregrine. Sorry. Peregrine is a cooler name anyway. Okay. I think we're good. Whew. I'm gonna tilt this way up because I don't know how high I'm gonna go. And I think I might try what someone else recommended, which is to launch with my left hand and then keep my, because what I really want, I can take the full throttle, but what I really want is control on the rudder, sorry, not rudder. Well, I guess rudder because it's in stabilized. The point is, I think I'm going to launch with my left hand instead of the right like I did last time. Because that did not go very well. Okay, are we ready? I know I always take forever to start this. I just get nervous. Let's test the prop. And make sure we're good and it doesn't come loose.
Armed. Disarmed.
Okay. Here we go. Launch with the left hand. Please wish me luck. S in the chat, por favor. I'm gonna arm.
Armed.
I'm gonna full throttle, and then I'm gonna go full send. And I'm gonna check one more time. We're right at the CG. We're a little bit nose heavy. Here we go. I'm so nervous. Okay, I don't know if I can do that. It's so hard to hold. It's so strong. I'm going from the right hand. I don't even care. I'll just go really hard and up. Oh, right into the ground. Ah.
Disarmed. Armed. Disarmed.
Okay. Well, that sucks. Having a lot of trouble with this plane.
Armed.
Okay.
Disarmed.
We've lost ailerons, but we've got elevator. Let's just restart. Let's just restart here. Oh, they may have just actually come out. Vertical, horizontal. Yeah, okay. Oh, jeez, what a bummer. Ah. It never goes right when you stream it. That's the rule. Oh my god, okay. We can't fly anymore today. The ESC yeeted itself out of the plane. Alright. That sucked. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, folks. We crashed pretty hard. Like, I'll be able to fly it again, but that was pretty hard. It was maybe like 1 centimeter past the CG of the plane. Like the actual CG was maybe 1 centimeter past where it's marked on the plane. Which is to say that like it shouldn't have been that bad. And I had an up elevator bias, so it should have corrected, should have helped us. Ah, what a bummer. Huh. Yeah, I will definitely add a paint job. That is for sure. The problem is the plane has to earn its paint. That's the rule. Craft have to earn their paint. Rockets I feel confident about, but the plane has to earn its paint. And right now, it has not yet earned anything. Okay, well, it's back to the drawing board then. What a bummer. I don't think I'm going to stream the next attempt, because so far every time I've streamed I've crashed, and it's like more than twice the amount of gear I need to bring. So I'm not going to stream the next one. I'm going to get it working, and then I'll put some video up of it. But I think I'd like to focus a little more on getting it to work before I stream again. Dang, what a bummer. Well, sorry everyone. I was hopeful that we could fly today. It really seemed like it was going to work. But I guess not. So I'll talk to you all soon. Have a good night. Stay safe. This is a bummer, but at least it can definitely fly again. There's nothing inherently broken about this. It's just a little shaken up. So I'll fly again soon. And I'll get some nice footage that'll play back without streaming problems or bandwidth issues, and that'll be even better. All right, I'm gonna pack this up and go home and work on something that works. What a bummer. Okay. Oh, thanks, Anchovy Knowledge. Hope this can pay for repairs or maybe a paint job. We're gonna get a really good paint job, but not until this flies well. So let's do that first. All right. Goodbye, everyone. Have a nice night. I'll talk to you soon.